In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a workflow in Magnific AI Mobile. We'll build a simple, repeatable path that turns your ideas into images and video, all from your phone. Start by opening the Magnific AI app or mobile site so you're on the home screen. A good connection helps here because generation happens in the cloud. Next, look along the bottom navigation and tap Work. This is the space where workflows live. When you see the option to Choose Here, select it to pick the workflow you want to follow. Choosing keeps things organized, so pick a starting point that matches your goal, like concept art, product visuals, or social clips. After you've chosen, tap Use. This loads the workflow with its recommended steps and default settings, so you don't have to set everything up from scratch. Within that workflow, select Use as Reference. This lets you anchor the style or content with an image or a previous result, which is great for consistency. Then type your prompt and generate. Be concise but specific. Describe the subject, mood, and any must-have details. Once you see the output, go back and tap Use again to continue building on what you made. Now choose Generate Video. Enter a prompt tailored for motion, think short actions, camera movement, or transitions, and generate. Magnific AI will turn your idea into a clip based on the same workflow logic. When the render is ready, go back and tap Use again if you want to iterate or stack another pass. You'll also find many more options, including Edit with AI and other refinements. Use these to tweak composition, enhance detail, or nudge style without starting over. Small prompt adjustments often yield big improvements, so experiment thoughtfully and preview before committing. And that's the process. Go to Magnific AI, open Work, choose your workflow, use it, add a reference, and generate. Create a video, and explore editing options. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow you can run anytime on mobile.